Stages 4 and 5 in lesson planning. Just as stages 2 and 3 had focused on language items and their controlled practice, so now in stage 4 and 5, now the focus would be on communication features and their controlled practice. So what would these features be? There could be a presentation structure, there could be a presentation delivery, there could be controlling meetings or letter organizations. This image shows the stage 4. As we've said, while stages 2 and 3 had focused on language forms presented in the input text, a parallel operation may be carried out for communication skills, for example, presentations, meetings, interviewing, letter writing, report writing, etc. In this way, the fourth stage would look at models for a particular mode of communication in order to raise awareness about behaviors, procedures, as well as associated language. So what tasks are we expected to perform, our learners are expected to perform at this stage? There could be mini presentations, there could be meetings excerpts, there could be controlled letter writing. So, and if we come on now to stage 5, we will find that now communication practice takes place, and the model can be presented by the trainer himself, or if this is impractical, then videos can be shown. So just as at stage 2 and 3, the focus was on forms and functions of language, stage 4 analyzes the techniques and strategies of communication as well as of the associated language. So at this stage, it looks at the models for a particular communication mode to raise awareness about procedures, about behaviors, as well as of the associated language. This the trainer can do himself or present through a audio video. In contrast to stage 2, it focuses on techniques, strategies, and the associated language. So, for example, if the task given was a presentation, then the students will be given a controlled practice of opening a presentation, linking ideas, which is a must for the person who is giving the presentation so that there is coherence, and then summarizing the presentation and concluding. So concluding the presentation, which is all included in presentation skills, and how to deliver effectively, especially keeping in view if it is an international organization. So keeping all the important aspects regarding your audience, whether they're laymen, whether they're international, and so on. And if it is a meeting, then the same goes for a meeting, that practice would be given for how to chair a meeting, how to call different opinions during the meeting, and so on.